Hello, my name is Barbara, speaking to you about Diversified Foods Group. Today, we are going to be discussing one of the most successful pizza restaurant chains in the world. That is right, Domino's Pizza. Founded in Michigan, Domino's Pizza is one of the most recognized pizza restaurant chains in the world. Historically, Domino's pizza menu consisted solely of one style of pizza crust in two sizes, either 12 or 16 inches, up to 11 toppings, and Coca-Cola as the only soft drink option. This ensured efficiency of delivery. The success of Domino's Pizza comes from its franchising. Domino's Pizza opened its first franchise location in 1967, and by 1978, the company had expanded to 200 stores. In 2004, Domino's Pizza began trading as a public company under the ticker symbol DPZ, and still does to this day. Get in touch today to learn more about Diversified Foods Group. There are so many success stories in the world. Be part of this one.